Hey guys, today we're just going to have a quick look at the lighting effects on the Corsair K57 RGB keyboard. We're starting off with the spiral rainbow, where the colours simply cycle round in circles. Then we move on to the rainbow wave, same kind of effect going from left to right. Then we move on to the colour shift, where it simply cycles through each of the colours. To the colour pulse, where it does the same thing but pulses through each colours. The colour wave, just random colours going from one side to the other. Then we have the visor, which I think is pretty cool. Moving on to rain, which can be random, or you can set the colours to this. And then another cool effect which I really like is the type lighting effect, where when you press the keys you get a nice ripple of a random colour going across the keyboard. Okay, now we're going to move on to the noise of the typing. And there we go.